Hello you guys, how's it going? And welcome back. So today's video is an unboxing. Today's video is an unboxing video, which I believe I've never done on my channel. I do hauls, which I think unboxing is pretty much the same as hauls anyway. But I'm unboxing a subscription service that I have been curious about for seriously such a long time. It is the nomakenolife subscription service. So I've seen this friggin' everywhere. I've seen it on Instagram. I saw it just browsing online and stuff, and I was always very curious about them. Honestly, I was thinking about it for a really long time, should I actually try it? And I'm actually really curious, but they were kind enough to reach out to me and offered to send me a box. I was like, oh perfect, I actually really wanted to see what it's all about. So nomakenolife is a subscription service that sends 8 to 9, I believe, 8 to 9 full-size products from K-Beauty and J-Beauty, which I think is really cool. I feel like there's quite a few K-Beauty ones, not that many J-Beauty, but I do think it's cool that they do both, so you get to try a little bit of everything. And they do just monthly. You can just get one if you just want to test it out, and you can do 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, like a lot of other subscription services as well. It is $35 per box. I don't think that is bad at all for getting 8 to 9 full-size products, and this includes shipping, so you don't pay extra for shipping, so it's just flat rate $35, and they do ship to pretty much anywhere in the world, so it is accessible for most people, and you do get to try out kind of real J-Beauty, K-Beauty, not just stuff that's on trend, not just really popular things on the internet, actually things that they source and find locally in Japan and stuff. But I thought it was just cool and exciting, and I'm really excited to open this up with you guys because I genuinely have not opened it yet. I have no idea what's inside. I believe it is the October box though, so I'm hoping that it's kind of Halloween themed, maybe. I'm not quite sure, but I guess we'll just find out in a moment. So let's open it. So it just comes in a box like this, and yes, it is very genuinely sent from Japan. They've got the custom tag that's always on the parcels that my grandma sends from Japan. So it just opens up like this. So see inside. It's wrapped in pink paper, so I can't quite see what's in it yet, but whoa, that's what it looks like. I'm actually super curious. I guess it is Halloween themed because the first thing I see is this little booklet. It says volume 33, October 2019, Harajuku Halloween, and it's got, oh, I think they have a pamphlet for every product they introduce. That is so freaking cool. Oh my god, this is exciting, honestly. And they go through literally everything that you get, and it goes through explaining the products, which I think is freaking awesome because a lot of time you don't know, or if you can't read the product, that's kind of it. So I will reference this as I am going through the products. Ooh, this is really exciting. So just sitting in there, I'm going to take out this bubble wrap, and we've got all our items. It's definitely a decent amount, I reckon. First is the Esfolio Pumpkin Rejuvenate Real Pumpkin Mask. Obviously this is Korean. Let's see what their little description is. Pumpkins do not only symbolize Halloween, did you know that they also improve skin's elasticity? So an anti-aging boost mask. Oh, that's awesome. They actually write how to use it. So it says leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then the key points about the product. Natural face mask using pumpkin as a main ingredient, free from harmful ingredients like MIT, CMIT, parabens, mineral oils, and silicones. So that's just a classic sheet mask, which I can never have too many sheet masks, let's be honest. I think another sheet mask, the Bling Cat Eye Patch. It is from Bling Cat? Oh no, it's from Tony Moly apparently. Become a superhero you never knew you were with this adorable cat eye mask. It moisturizes, softens and brightens the skin around your eyes for a youthful look. It has glycerin, niacinamide and herbal extracts to moisturize your skin. Cool. We got another mask, another Korean product from, ooh, what is this? Is this a hair color? So this is the Pop Devil Color Treatment. Halloween is the perfect time to try something wild. Change up your hair color with the Pop Devil Color Treatment. One of the 3 colors currently trending in Korea: ash pink, ash lilac, or ash violet. I feel like this is lilac. Ash violet, so it is the purple. Apply to damp hair and leave in for 5 to 15 minutes. Trendy hair colors that function as a hair treatment at the same time. Ooh, I would be very curious if that would show up in my kind of dark brown hair now, but I guess like a color treatment. That's interesting, not what I expected. Next we have, oh, this cute little guy, Momokos fruit gloss. Don't be frightened of this cute monster. The Momokos fruit gloss has the most adorable Harajuku-esque packaging and comes in mango, cherry, peach and grapefruit. Yum, they sound so good. And of course I got cherry, which is like the one out of the 4 that I would not go for. Like mango, yes. Peach, yes. Grapefruit, yes. Cherry would be probably just the only one that I'm not like about. But anyway, it's still super cute. It is like a blue and pink gloss. Wear this lip gloss as a topper or a bold lip color or by itself for a natural look. Fruity, wearable and easy to buy lip glosses in Harajuku style. Well, this one I feel like I can actually try right now. Pop a little bit on. Ooh. Whoa, it smells very cherry. Oh, damn it, I wish I had one of the other ones. I would have loved it. I can't actually see with my phone. If you like cherry, I'm sure you would love it. And if I had any of the other fragrances, I probably would love it. I'm just not the biggest fan of cherry, but got a little bit of gloss going. It looks nice on camera. I like it. Only it smells different. Next, we have Mew Girl nail stickers. Creepify your nails with these high quality Japanese nail stickers. In your box comes one of 7 cute or creepy designs that will make you stand out this Halloween. These are like, I don't know, I feel like, I don't know how to explain, like St. Patrick's Day themed kind of fantasy rabbits and like forest. They've got little like babies with little like leprechaun hats, which are kind of interesting, but they've got animals and stuff on it as well. Definitely give it a go. I used to be all about nail stickers when I was younger. I loved them and used to stock up a lot in Japan. And honestly, Japanese nail stickers, like even the cheap ones, are really good quality. Like they don't come off very easily and they don't kind of bump up on your skin on your nail, if you get what I mean. Now we have this cute ass looking pumpkin powder. What is it? Happy Halloween bath powder. Enjoy a spooky orange bath with this bath powder after a busy night of trick-or-treating, partying or watching horror movies. Don't worry about staying in the bath too long. This bath powder contains the moisturizing ingredients, peach extract and vitamin E that are beneficial for your skin. Hopefully it smells like peaches or pumpkin. I don't know. Unique blend of sweet milk aroma and Japanese tea to create a relaxing autumn inspired aroma. I will totally use that because I mean, I don't take baths that often, but when I do always use like bath bombs or like bath powders. And this is the really big thing in here. 1日分つぼ押し美容. So I've got this like cat eye mask looking thing. Lucky Wink acupressure face mask. We found your Halloween costume. Just kidding. They're actually really funny. They're really clever with their like little writing. This funky looking beauty tool is actually an acupressure face mask, the Japanese secret to a glowing complexion. Wear this face mask 1 minute per day for healthy and beautiful skin. Can be used in the bath as well. Huh, that is actually really cool. So I guess it has like bumps on it and it presses all your pressure points. What? I'm probably not gonna put it on top of my face right now because I do have makeup on, but it literally has like all the bumps and all like the pressure points, and then you just put it on and it presses it all. That's actually so freaking cool. I think my mum would love it. She's like always doing like pressing massages. Oh wow, I actually think I'd really like this, and I got makeup all over it already. Does my face have holes in it now? I'm actually really excited to try this out. I'm gonna try it tonight. We have one last item and it is another Japanese item. What is this from? Fate Grand Order with Sanrio makeup palettes. So I feel like it's a game. Yes, Sanrio collabed with the popular Japanese game Fate Grand Order to create these adorable makeup palettes. In your box comes 1 makeup palette with 4 shades of eyeshadow and 1 blush inspired by one of the characters. I think Gilgamesh is my character. Not great at applying eyeshadows? Follow these instructions on the back of the packaging to create a look you can't go wrong with. So, oh, they have directions. Oh, it looks like an orangey palette, which I'm so for. The other one looks like it was a purple, so I definitely would get more use out of this one. It's actually really cute. Oh, and it's in like a little book. That's actually super cute. Ooh, oh, actually really interesting color palette. So it is like a reddish, but you've got like a gold brown, like kind of classic, and then quite a reddy one too. Let's see what the pigmentation is like. It's not bad. It's so-so. Japanese eyeshadows are always never that strong, in all honesty. It's usually quite subtle because that is the trend. Not many people wear like super strong, but I will still definitely try this out. I'm curious about the cream blush as well, and it's like a nice coral color, which I would totally wear. And that is everything that was in the October No Make No Life box. Honestly, I do think it is a really good idea, especially if you are interested in Korean and Japanese beauty products. I think the good thing about it is when you're trying to shop online with those products and you don't know the language or you don't know how to like look it up, it's really hard to kind of figure out what to try and that. So in this case, they actually do it for you. They kind of select a variety of skincare and beauty tools and makeup and stuff, and you can kind of dip your toes in a little bit and see like what is out there. And then this little like booklet that they do is also super helpful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if like unboxings is something you guys want to see. I do hauls, and as I said, I feel like they're pretty much the same thing, but they are kind of different, and I guess it's different because I'm not purchasing the products, and it's kind of like I'm opening it for the first time, and it's kind of exciting because I don't know what to expect. But if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful Halloween, even though it's still like a month away. I will of course leave the link to the site below, so please check it out through there if you are curious. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.